Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the real situation about downloading UFC 4 on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the search bar. Type UFC 4 and press enter. From the search results, look for the official EA website. Make sure you open the official site because other websites may not be safe and could contain harmful files. Once the EA website opens, you will see a button that says Select Platform. Click on this button to view the available platforms for UFC 4. Here you will notice that the game is only available for PlayStation and Xbox. There is no option to select PC. This means that EA has not officially released UFC 4 for PC. Because of this, you cannot directly download or install the game on a computer through EA's platform. Some websites or videos may suggest using console emulators to run the game on a PC. These are programs that try to imitate the environment of a PlayStation or Xbox. While this might sound like a quick solution, it is not recommended. Emulators are not officially supported by EA, and they often cause performance problems, errors, or even violate terms of service. Using them can also put your device at risk if the emulator comes from an unreliable source. The best and safest option right now is to wait for EA to release an official PC version of UFC 4. If EA decides to launch it in the future, it will be available through their website or the EA app, just like other PC games. Thanks for watching.